Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into OneDrive with the Microsoft account you want to use. Enter credentials and enable two-step verification for safety. This reduces risk if a device is lost. Once signed in, open the OneDrive app and select the local folder you want to sync. Pick only what you need to avoid overuse. Also, check your storage balance immediately so you know how much space you have. These first steps set permissions and the sync scope, which matter for speed and quota management. Once done with sign-in and setup, fine-tune syncing to avoid unnecessary uploads. Use selective sync to include only active project folders and exclude bulky archives like ISO or virtual machine files. Make sure Files on Demand is enabled so placeholders appear locally without downloading full content. This saves disk space while letting you open files when needed. Also, create a clear folder structure and apply consistent naming or tags, because organized libraries reduce duplicate copies and make selective sharing safer and faster. To finish, verify that your latest files are marked synced and test access from another device. If you see conflicts, decide whether to keep the newest version or retain both copies. This prevents data loss. Free up storage by emptying the OneDrive recycle bin and trimming old file versions, or upgrade your plan when business needs grow. If syncing stalls, restart the app, confirm file path lengths are under limits, and update OneDrive. These steps complete setup and give a clear troubleshooting path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.